Okay, parents, I wanted to give you an idea of what it is that I'm working on in math with your students, where it sounds maybe a little bit different. It's actually everything that you know, just putting some color coding with it. So let's see, one of the problems is 263 times 24. So one thing that I'm asking them to do first is to highlight what they're multiplying together first with yellow. So from this, then they would multiply through 4 times 3, 12. But the idea is that each one of these gets its own line. So each number goes into its own respective line. We're having some troubles making sure that we keep this straight and or keeping which place values we need to add together at the end. Okay, so some of you are familiar with this turtle method or maybe have heard of it. The turtle method is the idea that like you would draw on here instead, and it lays an egg. So that's fine, but we're kind of getting into a little bit more complex multiplication. But the big thing that we need is a placeholder. Since we're going to multiply by the tens, there's 1 0, we're going to multiply that way. Okay, then this part here, I need to make sure that I cross off the top. And now I'm going to highlight with green. So now I know what I'm multiplying with through this time. Okay, so I'm going to go 2 times 3. Okay, then from here I would add as per usual. If I were to have more numbers, say it was 263 times 224. This would be yellow. This would be green. This would be orange. Okay, on purpose because we're having some difficulties understanding what we do next. The other part too that would be important would be to cross out any carries. We're also not following what goes where or randomly adding things in. So a good example of some work would be right here with this student. Would look something like this. Okay, and notice that we have one placeholder added, 2 placeholders added, and we can go through and it's nice clean work. The reason that we're doing that is because we're running into some work that looks like this. And notice that we've missed placeholders on this problem here below my thumb. So the purpose that we're doing that is to help with this. We also did some estimation as well. So looking at that problem, 501 times 362, there's no way it could just be 5,000. So those are some good conversations you can have with your kids if you're helping them with that home. They should have plenty of time this week to be able to work on their homework with plenty of help ready and nearby. Thank you.